Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with William and Mette, and today we are inspired by the Danish footballer
Emiliano Maracondes.
So William, are you up for it?
Yeah, definitely. I'm excited.
Let's get to it.
And that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this.
We're almost done, so William, do you like the haircut?
Yeah, definitely. I think it looks great.
So Mette, what did you do?
On the sides we made like 6 to 9 millimeters, a small fade, and then a little pointy in the back, and then long on the top.
And as always, you can enter the giveaway if you write a comment down below what you think about this hairstyle. Remember to give the video a like and subscribe the channel. See you guys next time.